Day in, day out, it's the same road we're walking down. Same job, same town, 'cause we've been told that's the way our world goes round. Walking on the grounds we've always known, stepping on the footprints in the snow.
Hey Siri Nation, how are you all doing? I know say someone all stop blow off, I know say someone cry right now. But I just want to send on some love right about now. I know say someone can go down and battery dead and all these things. I just want to send on some love right now. But this is a confirmation from God. Say after the storm there must be a calm. Yes, we are go earth and we have to go repair house and all these things. And I know say someone lie down hungry right now. I just want to send on some love. But this too shall pass. And Jamaica, mama gonna shout out like Jamaica. We need to be more prayerful. And you see, God always turn back the storm. And now God make it hurricane come. And whole heap of damage happening. I know so me know the outside, but a whole heap of place damage, like whole heap of damage take place. We need to be more prayerful. And if we put on a gun, man, crime and violence, no man, too much killing, too much young people are dead, too much kids, too much woman. That's why God has shown this mighty God after Neil. No man, we need to cool it down. God make it touch we. And look, I know say whole heap of me on the outside. Cause I can't the outside understand, but I know say whole heap of place damage. We need for cool down, man. One love, when spread love. I just want to send on some love right now. You know, on the corner, everything is gonna be okay. Everything is going to be fine. Big up on a nice clean self later. And this is my current situation right now. I just have a phone for a light. And I know so me always like a smile, you know. And also this is the situation. We are in the dark. But you know what? We have God. I want to have God have every single thing. Yeah. Tell me about the experience of storm or hurricane on ever witness. But mine, me remember when time me a little pitney. My cousin, my grandfather, my step grandfather, and my sister. At the time, we did got bored. 4 room pan the house, you know, say a big house, and we got living room and kitchen, and we did there, you know, cause you know we did in the middle room and the front room, right? I was sit down in there, you know, cause you know, say storm come up, you know, say all people are gonna pack up everything. So my granny pack up every single document, you know, in our suitcase, and we sit down there, you know, and we just hear roops. I saw the roof come off completely. And in the storm, you know, like in the hurricane, people, we have to go over with neighbor yard, go knock on him door. But the man did let in with open arms. And we're over there for a couple weeks. Probably over there for 1-2 weeks. I remember so we all start blow off, you know, and we not the money. Because I know say back in the days we never have money and we used to suffer. And the whole part of life we got through, you know. But don't tell me about fun experience in the comment section. But me have to big up one lady every single time. As she sponsor with food and everything. And I want to look. Oh no, Naxwood and no Maros Plaza. The lady them me at big up she every time and her family. May I tell you now, say other lady they supply with food and the man will live side of him make could and stay over him yard. But may I tell you that it wasn't a nice experience. But at that time, only hurricane me ever witness. We ever do that. Like me never witness no more and well nothing really happened to me. Like no. Nothing really happened yesterday now, but me know say no phone no. Or start blow off or something, but I not remember this. And this too shall pass. But who remember when time we are little pitney and light gone and we used to act like we are robots. We used to act like we are robots. So we flash the lighter and then we take time and move in it like so. Who remember this? Honestly, I'm about the experience in the comment section because this is just a random video. But Me tell you, well, for hard life we face, you know. Well, heap. But we have to big up God every time because we still there, Zine. And when you see if we don't all stop blow off and everything and we lose everything, we just give God the praise so we have life and everything. So anyways, this is the end of my video. So bye.